Part 1. Listening.
I want to give you a few tips on how to improve your English. First, and most importantly, it's okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Second, practice every day. Reading, writing, speaking, listening. All of these skills are important to practice if you want to be good at English. Number 3, write down everything in class. It is really important to take good notes. Review your notes at home. Number 4, try to remember 5 new words every day. You can do it. Number 5, when you don't know a word in English, look it up online. Number 6, challenge yourself. Number 7, I think this last tip is really important. Never give up.
Part 2. Listening Comprehension. Answer the following questions based on the video that you just watched. 1. What is the first and most important rule to learning English? A. Mistakes are very bad. B. It's okay to make mistakes. C. Never make mistakes. D. Try hard to make mistakes. 2. How often should you practice? A. Every day. B. Never. C. Twice per week. D. Once in a while. 3. What should you write down in class? A. Something. B. Once in a while. C. Everything. D. Nothing. 4. How many words should you try to remember every day? A. 3. B. 5. C. 2. D. 4. 5. What should you do if you don't know a word? A. Nothing. B. Forget it. C. Call a friend. D. Look it up. Part 3. Vocabulary. Improve. To make or become better. I want to improve my English, so I'm going to take English lessons every day. Important. Something that is necessary. It's important to review your notes every day. Practice. To do something again so that you improve. I practice speaking English every day with friends all over the world. Review. To study or look at something again so that you remember. I review my notes every night before I go to bed and every morning while I eat breakfast. Look it up. To search for something. I didn't know the meaning of practice, so I looked it up online. Part 4. Review. Watch the video one more time. Thanks for watching. See you next time.